Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. All right, welcome. The message is simple. I apologize for the video, but the quality of the video might be so and so. The point is this: follow the instructions, listen to the message. It's simple. The message is the NFT with a passive income. Okay, our NFTs are giving you a passive income. Have a look. First, let's go to the OTC.house. Remember, over the counter house, where you can wrap your tokens into an NFT. So my advice to you is simple. Follow the instructions on our channel and the other videos, and you'll find out how you can make money. We wrapped, just to give you an example, 1 million of hedge token. Okay, it cost 31 US dollar, let's say, if you buy it. But the point is, we give you a passive income. Like if you hold it for 30 days, you send it to our vault for 30 days, we give you 1.3 million. Again, if your balance is a million or more, whatever, we give you 30% on top as a staking rewards. Okay, so you come to these OTC.house, click on token NFTs. We are on Binance Smart Chain. All right, click on these and you will see right here few pairs. We are exactly here, BUSD/hedge. Okay, click on hedge and we have two NFTs, but we will mint some more, or you can come to our Telegram and we negotiate. You can get them in a different way. But the point is this: you come in here and have a look. You can click on these and just view first, and you'll see that it's our token hedge, right? Which you can purchase it for $31 and then bring it to here. Have a look. What do? We trade put options. In this market, we short the stocks. We short a lot of forex, commodities, and crypto. So we sell, we ride this panic, we ride this bear market. I'm telling you, we're selling first and then we buy. We are short trading these. So panic, it's our game right now. We're making money in these panicky markets, in these meltdown from what we see left and right. So have a look at a few of our videos and you'll understand what type of trades we do. And my advice to you, follow us, come and join us on Telegram. Remember, it's here, t.me/hedge4. Okay, and join us in here, put your questions, dial our number, talk to us. All right, and what I'm telling you is this: remember one thing. Our market cap today, it's 3,759, $3,000. My question is, can we grow 100x? Yes, because from these 3,000 we can go to $300,000. Can we go 1,000x? Yes, because from this 3,000 times 1,000 we can reach $3 million market cap. So again, call us, ask any questions. If you are an influencer, let's do an AMA interview. What else to do? I'm telling you, join us, buy hedge token or buy these NFTs that we issued them in here. They're worth it. Do your staking. We pay you 30% on top for each 30 days. So it's roughly 1% a day. We do these campaigns for just 30 days, locked, and there are going to be few of them in the next few months. All right. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.